हेलो दोस्तों और नमस्ते आप सभी को वेरी warm welcome to my channel titled Life Inside Us. So, in this episode, we'll be talking about the third wheel of the car, which is social relationships. So, this third wheel has changed a lot over time. In about these 4 months during the pandemic, yeah. So what happened earlier was we were so busy and so engrossed in our work that we didn't have time for anything in life, not even to talk to people. But right now, in this pandemic, this has changed. This has got much better. We are forming a lot of good social relationships with people who we didn't even have time for. Like, for example, we are talking to them over call, we are messaging them a lot, we are sharing a lot of different memes, we are sharing a lot of different articles to read together. Then we are also sharing a lot of different content on YouTube to watch together, or we are Netflixing. So yeah, this social relationship has got better in these tough times. So I'll give you a very good example. What happened earlier was five people used to sit together. They're all sitting and they're all busy in their phones. And what happens is they're talking to somebody who's not even present in front of them or available to them. This was the condition earlier. So, what happened is we were socially available to them, but we were emotionally distant. And this is not how it should be, right? See, what happens is there are three benefits to it. One, it's the emotional connection. We're forming an emotional connection with them, with which it's easier for us to share everything with them. Be it your personal issues, be it your mental issues, be it anything in life. Second is we are giving them, we're actually sharing a lot of resources. We are actually getting to share a lot of resources. Like we share food. So this is how we feel connected to each other, right? The third one is health. It reduces a lot of stress. It reduces a lot of physical pain we have. Now we are also concerned about the other person, and we keep on asking them if they are fine or not, because in such a condition you never know if they would be alive the next day because of such a virus, COVID-19. So before taking anything for granted in life, look into your own self and start forming connections. Before in 2019 or earlier in life, we used to take everything for granted. Now that we are in a situation like this, we are in a pandemic like this, let's all pledge to not take anything for granted, to not use any other person for your own filthy needs, to help people out there, to give them something good in life, to give them a lesson, a good lesson, so that it'll be easier for them to take this in the future, continue this, and start forming social connections. I know life is pretty uncertain and unpredictable right now, but you know what? We have this little bit of thing, these four circles of life, with which we can make this situation better amongst our family members, amongst our friends, amongst a lot of other people you are socially connected to. So what are you waiting for? Start focusing on your social relationships. Start focusing more on them. Put more efforts. Get much better together. Whatever it is, your love life, it could be your family members, you can also get socially connected to them too. Or if you're not very close to your cousin brothers or sisters, if you're not close to your extended family members, you can just call them up. You can just talk to them for hours, or even for a minute, or just in for 30 seconds. Just ask them, how are you, how are you doing in life, what have you been up to. This is going to be a lot helpful for you as well as for the other person in life. So thank you so much for your time. I hope so you have liked this video. If not, you can still watch it. If you've liked it, you can share it amongst your family, your friends, and show it to them. Why? Because this is going to put a very good message. This is going to put a very, very important message. सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स बनाना आसान है, पर निभाना आसान नहीं, और यही सही वक्त है इस सोशल रिलेशनशिप को अच्छा बनाने का. तो ज़रूर फोकस करें इस पर. थैंक यू सो मच. Like and subscribe our channel. Share it amongst your family and friends. And yes, one more message. घर बैठे हो, कुछ घंटों में हाथ सैनिटाइज किया करें. जब बाहर जाएं आप, तब मास्क पहन कर निकले घर से. बिना मास्क ना निकले. अपनों का भी ध्यान रखें और अपने आसपास वालों का भी. थैंक यू सो मच.